All right, next quick update. We got all of the stuff cleared off the walls. I cleared up the windows, both the window trims. These are newer windows in the old frames. They actually had the original window weights in them still. I'm gonna do a couple plates so that way I can make sure the windows don't move. Today, I'm going to be removing all of the nails that are in every single one of these from the lath still left over. And I'm going to try to get the plates done for the windows, spray foam the windows, and I'm going to get the bigger cavities done today. And then I'll worry about the smaller ones probably a couple days from now. I won't be able to work on it. So, not too hard work today, just a quick update on this one. Yo, what is up, guys? All right, this one is a good proud moment for me. And let there be light. I got the 4 lights done today. Had a little weird hiccup with how the wiring was because it feeds off of another room, and I've never done that before. So, my friend coached me through it, so we're all good, set to go. So now that I got all the lights up and I have a fan wire in the center, ran, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I have it pre-ran. Now I can work in here and see things without using my little lamps that are under there. So now, the next project is redoing all the lower sockets. This is, the old wiring, so we're gonna do that next, but this is a huge step, huge progress today. Got the lights done. Gonna check everything tomorrow. I'm gonna re-nail everything tomorrow, check all my connections tomorrow, but now they work right now. Okay, next update on the room. So I've got all the insulation done. I've got all my new 3-prong outlets with ground, new wire ran. So on this one was already existing, but I put a new outlet in it. I've got this one. This is still the old wall and everything. This wall will come down next, but now that I have power in here and I have the insulation done, it actually holds temperature. This one is all set too, and I filled the little gaps next to the windows and the corner, and I foamed a couple gaps that they had there. And so now this room's actually holding temperature, and I can do real work in here. The next step, like I said, take down the 2 interior walls, gonna re-drywall all of that. Need to figure out how to do the window trim and drywall up to it or do new sill plates. Not really sure what to do next, but keep moving on.